Welcome to this tutorial on getting started using Mango Languages, which is a resource that can help you learn a new language. There are more than 70 languages available, and it's free for you to use with your Santa Clara City Library card. We'll get started from the library website at sclibrary.org. Hover over the tab that says Books and More, and find the heading for Research Tools. You can get to Mango Languages by clicking the A to Z listing of databases and scrolling down to the M's. You can also get to it by clicking on Databases by Subject. Here you'll find the different categories of online resources that the library offers, and for this we'll click on Language Learning. And here you'll see Mango Languages. If you already have an account with Mango Languages, you can log in here, but if you've never used Mango Languages before, there are two options. You can click Sign Up at the bottom and create your profile, or you can use Mango Languages as a guest. You'll still be required to enter your library card number. The difference is that creating a profile will allow you to save your progress as you go. If you use Mango Languages as a guest, it won't remember where you left off the next time you use it. However, it does give you the option of creating a profile later, so if you try it out as a guest and then decide you'd like to save your progress, you're still able to create an account. So let's create an account by clicking the Sign Up button. You'll need to enter an email address, your library card number, and you'll create a password, and then click Sign Up. Once you've created a profile or logged in as a guest, you'll be asked to pick a language. You'll see some of the popular languages listed out, but you can also search for a language or click See All to see the full list of language courses that are available. Here's an example of what the classes look like. And here's an example of one of the lessons. There's audio instruction in both English and the other language. The sentences are color-coded so you can map them to the translations. Hover over a word and you can see the phonetic spelling. Click on it to hear the audio. This orange button lets you record yourself, which you can then compare to the original audio by pressing the green button. This blue button allows you to replay the entire slide. Advance through the course using the next button at the bottom of the screen. You can follow your progress and see which lessons you've completed on the course page. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions.